How to remove add friend option on Facebook. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So here in my profile you can see there is a add friend option. So in order to remove it, there is a simple trick. So you have to follow that. So the first thing is you need to go to your settings on your Facebook. For that you need to first go to your home page. And after that you have to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line of the right upper corner. And once you are here, you have to scroll a little bit and you'll be able to see the settings and privacy. Simply tap on that and you have to further go for settings. Under settings, you have to scroll down a little bit where you'll be able to see audience and visibility option. Under that, you have to go for how people find and contact you option. And there's who can send you friend requests option. Simply go for that and you have to set it to friends of friends. Once you're done, you have to go back and you have to see your profile. For that you can tap on your profile and you have to tap on the 3-dotted horizontal line at the right hand side and you have to go for view as. And here you can see add friend has been removed. So by following this simple step, you can remove add friend option on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions regarding this video, then you can comment down below. Thanks for watching.